Hello everyone, for this week's sharing video, I'm going to show how to use XAMPP to create a database and display it in a table in Java using NetBeans. So you start by opening XAMPP control panel. I use version 3.2.2, and you need to make sure that the Apache and MySQL are running. And then under MySQL, you click on admin, and it will open up phpMyAdmin. And then this shows your databases on the left-hand side. You can click New, and then you can give it a name. I'll just name it New DB. And then you can create a table. Let's make a table full of friends. Why not? And then 4 columns, that looks good. And then you need a primary key. That's important. It won't work if you don't make a primary key. So you go here and click primary key. And that can be an int. And then the length 10. Yeah, we're not going to have it longer than that. And then we'll do like name. In our friends table, we'll have like their name, their number, and an address row. And we need to make these varchars, or however you pronounce it. I'm not exactly sure. You know, that's one thing I'm an online student. That's one thing I don't like about being an online student. I don't know how to pronounce anything. Yeah, sometimes I look it up. Like, I know it's SQL instead of SQL because I looked that one up, but yeah. Anyway, so you save it. And then here, this is where you do your CRUD actions, or this is the easiest way to do it. So we can insert information here. So on the primary key, this will just be like user 1, name. Let's name them Mike. Sure, that can be our friend. Number, their number will be 555-1111. Their address will be 123 Fake Street. You can see I'm getting autofill settings here because I've already done this. And then there we go. We inserted one row. Let's do another one just for fun. Insert number 2. Their name can be Matt. And the number will be 555-2222. Address will be 124 Fake Street. Neighbors with Mike. All right. And then, so we have our database created. You want to open up MySQL. Click on a new project. Java application. Java application 2. That's all right. We'll name it that. And then you want to right-click on the auto-created source package and do a new JFrame form. New JFrame, that's an all right name. And then it gives you this GUI swing option where you can click and drag. We want a table. Oops, I didn't get that in there. Where did it go? I'm not sure what I just did. Oh, there it is. Then you can put it there. And then you need to right-click, table contents, bound. And then, oh, first, I'm doing this wrong. First, you need to go into services, click on databases, and then find the new one that you just made. And you need to connect to it. So I did new DB, I believe. And this was already running, so I'll need to connect again for it to show up. And then new DB, there it is. Right-click connect. There we go. Now we can go back to our Swing user interface. So table contents, bound, import data to form, and then you find the database that you made. New DB, I have it right here. And it imports. That should be good there. Then you also need to right click, bind elements, and then click all of them over. And this won't work if you don't make a primary key. So you have to make sure that your database has a primary key. And then you can see the values are in the table. And then if you go back to your project and run the JFrame form, it will display your database in the table. And you know, this is my favorite kind of Java programming, where you don't have to type a single word of code. I'm going to post this video to the class community. Go ahead and ask some questions, and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.